Hello everybody, I am Vivek Raj. I have completed my mechanical engineering this year at Arasa Engineering College. I have introduced advanced security system for our two-wheelers to avoid bike theft because there are so many automobile thefts that happen in our day-to-day life, especially in two-wheelers. In this bike, there is no key. I have replaced the key functions into two types of authentication system. First one is fingerprint scanner and another one is digital numeric password system. Also, I have used a centralized locking system to lock the vehicle, which can lock the fork turning, back wheel rotation, petrol tank mouth, and another one important is fuel lock, which can use to avoid the fuel theft. Let me show how this security system works effectively. This is fingerprint scanner and this is numeric password system, and this is a small display. Both the systems can be used by the owner as well as the other family members. Suppose in case of any emergency, the third person may have to operate the vehicle by giving a proper numeric password with the consent of the owner. Now the vehicle is in off condition, so nobody can turn the fork and nobody can move the vehicle because the back wheel is in lock condition, and nobody can open this tank mouth, and this is the fuel lock. Even we plug this tube, the fuel won't comes out. Now I am going to start this bike by using this system. The display shows the two options to the user. Press 1 for selecting the fingerprint scanner and press 2 for selecting the numeric password system. First I start this bike by using fingerprint scanner. For this I have to choose 1. Then I put my finger on the scanner for a few seconds. Okay, now the entire locking systems are opened. Now we can start this bike as usual. Now I lock this vehicle by using the same fingerprint scanner. For this again I have to press 1 and put my finger on the scanner. Okay. Now the entire locking systems will be locked. Again I start this bike by using numeric pass system. For this I have to choose 2 for giving the correct password. Now I giving the password, then enter. Now the entire locking systems are opened. You can see. Again I locked this same system by using the password. For this again I have to select the 2 and give the password, then enter. The total locking systems are locked. Finally, I hope that this security system will be the better one in future to avoid the bike theft. No key, no tension.